Hey guys, this is Essie from Eslashes. Thank you so much for watching this video. Today we are going to talk about 5 tips for speeding up your lash time. So I know it's so important, especially when you're starting out, to figure out ways that you can speed up your lash time. The faster you can get your clients in and out, the more clients you can book in a day, and the happier your clients will be. This is, of course, without compromising quality and making sure that you do a good job. So we've got a bunch of helpful tips here for you today on how you can speed up your lashing time and fit more clients in and let your clients off of the lash bed as fast as possible. So tip number 1 is to organize ahead of time. So if you need to cut your tape ahead of time, put out multiple tweezers, have your glue out and ready, have the tape ready, anything that you're going to need for the day, making sure your lashes are on their lash tile ahead of time. If you know your clients, and a lot of them are coming in for fills, you can look and see exactly which products you're going to need for those clients and have them all out and ready ahead of time before they come in, and that will save you a lot of time throughout the day. And then number 2 is do the hard lashes first. I find when you're fresh at the beginning of the day or at the beginning of a set that it's a lot easier to get those hard lashes done, and you can do it a lot faster. So any of those little tiny baby lashes that you're going to be lashing, or the inner corners, I like to go ahead and the outer corners, actually do those ones first. When you do that, then you don't feel the pressure at the end, rushing and making mistakes. It actually does end up saving you a lot of time, just saving those easier lashes for last. I know it's tempting to want to do those easy ones first and start seeing results right away, but it's better if you do the hard ones first. Keep in mind, 80% of coverage when you're starting out is still really good, and if you can't get that 100% done within a reasonable time, that's okay, but you do want to make sure that it's even, and you do not want to skip those inner corners. That's how you can really tell the difference between a full completed lash set and kind of a newbie look, right? You want to make sure you get those inner corners, and it gives you that really nice glamorous completed look. So number 3 is less talking. Of course, you're not going to be able to not talk to your clients the whole time. As you're getting them down on the bed, as you're maybe giving them a lash bath, those are good times to chat while you're putting on the eye patch and you're just getting everything prepared. You can quickly chat with the client, but let them know, we can get the lashing done a lot faster if we keep the chatting down to a minimum during the main bit of the lashing, and you can go ahead, relax, have a little nap. It's really great. A lot of clients actually do love to rest, relax, and nap. Now, if you're a more experienced lash tech and you're super good at isolation, everything like that, then you can start chatting more with your clients during the lash fill. Just make sure they know while they're chatting, they do need to make sure that their eyes stay closed. Sometimes when people are chatting, their eye will open a little bit, and that can be dangerous for the client. So just make sure they know about that. But if you're experienced, chatting is fine. Now, another thing with the chatting is make sure that clients are staying off their phones. So sometimes clients will be receiving phone calls or texts, and they'll ask you if you can check who it was that was calling, or if you can call back, or if you can text back. Just even doing this here and there, it adds a few extra minutes to the appointment, and it takes time away from lashing. So same thing, especially when you're a new lash artist, you need all the extra time you can get. So just let your clients know, no phones during the appointment, but you can check it before and after. They can't open their eyes anyway, so there's no need for the phone. And then our final tip, number 5, on how you can speed up your lash sets, and this goes for volume, is by using easy fan lashes or pre-made fans. This can save you so much time when you're lashing. Hand creating volume fans does create the best retention, but if you can use easy fans or pre-made fans, even just to mix them in with some of those beautiful handmade fresh and volume fans, it definitely makes a difference on your timing, and it can cut your timing almost in half by using pre-made fans and easy fan lashes. So that's it for today. Those are your 5 tips to speed up your lashing time. And I hope you guys liked this video. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure you hit that subscribe button below.